Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Loice. I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos on this channel. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe. Today is another fragrance video and I'm going to be talking about another Acqua Di Parma fragrance. I know I've been on the Acqua Di Parma boat for a few weeks now, but Acqua Di Parma Colonia Pura. This is what it looks like. The package is pretty much the same, just the plaque is different. This is a grey plaque, greyish silver plaque. Colonia Intensa is a gold bronze plaque, and Colonia is a white plaque. Acqua Di Parma Colonia Pura is an aromatic citrus fragrance for men and women, meaning it's unisex. It's been branded as unisex. As I've always said, for me, a fragrance is a fragrance. You can wear female fragrance or a male fragrance or a unisex fragrance. As long as you like it and you feel like you smell good and it goes with your skin, everything is good. But this is marketed as a unisex fragrance. It's quite new for Acqua Di Parma, especially the Colonia range, because the first fragrance was released in 1916, but this is a 2017 fragrance, so quite new. And you can actually tell how new it is by how it smells. The notes in this fragrance are ozonic notes, bergamot, orange, and petit grain. Middle notes are narcissus, jasmine, sambac, and coriander. And the base notes are white musk, cedar, and patchouli. The base of most of Acqua Di Parma fragrances is bergamot and orange, or bergamot and citrusy fragrances. So most of the fragrances are just fresh. It's citrusy, energizing, it's young. I feel like it's younger than the other fragrances from Acqua Di Parma. Maybe the idea was to appeal to a much younger crowd, seeing as the others are more geared towards mature people, more settled human beings in life. So I feel like this is much younger, much jumpier. You know, you feel very energized when you wear it. You're ready to go out and capture and conquer the world. That's how I feel what this means. It's like, I'm ready to go out today. I'm dressed, I'm smelling nice, I'm feeling good, I'm out. When you first spray it, you smell the citrus first. As I've mentioned about Acqua Di Parma before, most of their fragrances are fresh, so you get a citrus fragrance and then you get the jasmine. I think this is what's quite different from this. You can actually smell the jasmine, which makes it a bit more, I don't know if it makes it more current, more young, but it's just more aromatic. It's more flowery, more floral, not flowery. And I would wear this during the day. I feel like this is a good daytime fragrance. You've showered, you're clean, you're fresh, you're going out. This is what it smells like. So this is where I would wear it to, because it has that fresh, energizing vibe to it. I would wear this in the daytime, in summer, in spring, just warmer. It's spring warm, but it feels like a spring summery scent rather than a cool winter, because in winter you want more cuddly, more earthy, more comforting scents. This is more get up, let's go, we're good to go, we're ready, we're smelling good, we're feeling good. That is what I would say about the seasons that I would wear this fragrance. I would mostly recommend it for warmer weather, just because it gives you that, you know, in summer everybody's out and about. It feels like that. It feels like you're out and about, looking good, smelling good, in your linen shirt and your shorts and your sandals. I've given you a whole outfit including the fragrance. I would say out of all the Acqua Di Parma Colonia fragrances that I've tried, this has to be my favorite because it just has more life. I feel like there's more life to this than the others. The others are a bit too understated for me. So maybe it was geared towards people like me who want, you know, I like to smell like I'm scented. I don't want to be understated anywhere. So this is a bit more shouty. It's not really. When I say that, you would think it's so loud and offensive. No, it's still quite in the background, but maybe it projects more than the other colonias that I've tried. The projection is better than the other ones, not great but better. Longevity, Acqua Di Parma does not last long. I don't know if you're looking for long-lasting fragrances. I don't think this is a line or brand for you to try. However, I would urge you to try fragrances from Acqua Di Parma because they're really nice. That's all I can say. They're just really nice, well done fragrances. When you smell it, you're like, that smells different. It smells calm, cool, quiet, but very nice. Not smells like everybody you know smells like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Let me know if there are any fragrances you'd like me to try. I'll try and get them and review them. I know I really enjoy watching reviews of fragrances that I haven't tried, and I'm a bit I'm like in my head about it. I like to hear what other people say about it. So let me know. See you on the next video. Goodbye.